Hi guys, today I'm going to make stir-fry beef with the green pepper. I believe a lot of people don't like green pepper's taste, but in this way, the green pepper is tasty without grass flavor. You'd better choose fresh and thin green peppers. The thick one is very chewy. It doesn't taste right. The starch is for tendering the beef and thicken the sauce. If you don't like sticky texture, you could reduce the starch. Now let's cut the green pepper. Wait, something isn't right. Sorry, I forgot to mention egg and oil. Remove the stems and the seeds. My green peppers are very small, not easy for removing. Better give a shake, haha. Thinly slice all the green peppers. Add half teaspoon salt in it. Mix well. Give the green pepper a base taste. This is a necessary step. Four sliced ginger, then cut in strips. Slice the garlic. Thinly sliced beef. If you don't have a sharp knife like me, it's alright to slice thicker. The beef tenderloin is the best choice for this dish. You may use other meat tenderloin or chicken breast instead. Tastes good as well. Layer the beef one by one. This can be easier for strips cutting. Cut into 3 to 4 mm strips. If you are not good at cutting, just cut in small slices is totally fine. Add the rest seasoning, 1 teaspoon starch, 1 egg white. Mix well. Let the egg and the starch mix can be tightly attached on the beef. Add 1 tablespoon oil. This is for keeping moisture of the meat and avoiding sticky with each other while frying. In a small cup, add soy sauce, sugar, water, half teaspoon starch. Mix well. It's very important to use low heat at the beginning. It is for separating the meat easier. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons oil. Add the ginger and garlic. And the beef. Quickly separate them. Keep low heat. Add green pepper after beef change color. Turn up the fire to medium high. If you like crunchy green pepper, you may add them after adding the sauce. Mix the sauce again before adding. stir quickly after saucing. This needs about 1 minute. Done! Is it very easy? This dish is super delicious with rice. If you like, you can give it a try. Thanks for watching. Please give a thumb up and subscribe my channel. See you. Bye bye.